Hi everyone, this is Karthika, Faculty of Physics working in SNS College of Engineering. Today in this session we are going to discuss about the forest ecosystem. So we know that ecosystem is related with living organisms and non-living organisms. So that the place of living. So simply we can say the place of living of the organisms. So in that one of the ecosystem, that is land ecosystem, is nothing but a forest ecosystem. So let's see about the forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem is an area with high density of trees. A forest ecosystem is one in which tall trees grow that support many animals and birds. The forests are found in undistributed areas receiving moderate to high rainfall. The forest occupies nearly 31% of the world's land in India. It is only 19% of total land area. So that is very much less. So the types of forest ecosystem, that is based upon the climate conditions, forests are classified into tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical scrub forest, temperate rainforest, temperate deciduous forest. So the characteristics of forest ecosystem. So they are characterized by warm temperature and adequate rainfall, which make the generation of number of ponds and lakes, etc. The forest maintain climate and rainfall. The forest support many wild animals and protect biodiversity. The soil is rich in organic matter and nutrients which support the growth of trees. Since the penetration of light is so poor, the conversion of organic matter into nutrient is very fast. So this is the picture of forest ecosystem. So what would be the need of forest? So for food and toddler, and for raw materials, for rainfall, for preservation of flood and drought, and for ecological parents, that is the need of the forest. And what would be the cause of depletion of forest? That is urbanization, the development of dams and roads, mining, population explosion, and expansion of agricultural land. So method to conserve forest. So forestation, recycling the forest products, using paper judicially, and educating and making people with aware of the importance of forest. The structure and function of forest ecosystem. So we have a structure that is abiotic and biotic. The abiotic components includes basic organics and inorganic compounds present in soil and atmosphere. In addition, minerals. The occurrence of litter is characteristic features of majority of forest. So biotic components. First one is the producers. In a forest, the producers are mainly trees, produce food by photosynthesis. Apart from trees, climbers, epiphytes, shrubs and ground vegetation. So dominant species of trees in the forest are Dalbergia, Texinogadis and lichens, fern, pine and cedar. Consumers, primary consumer is there. They are directly depend on the plants for their food, example ant and insects. Secondary consumers are, they directly depend on the herbivores for their food, for example lizard, snakes. And tertiary consumers, they depend on the primary carnivores for their food, example animals like tiger, lion. Finally, the decomposers, they decompose the dead plant and animal matter, example bacteria and fungi. So it provides humorous environmental services like nutrient and cycle. So maintaining biodiversity, providing wildlife habitat, affecting rainfall patterns, regulating stream flow, storing water, reducing flooding, preventing soil erosion, reclaiming degraded land and many more. So apart from environmental values, forest ecosystem have some traditional values as well. Example, firewood and timber, fruits we are getting, gums, herbs and drugs. So this is the pictorial representation of a forest ecosystem. So how all the animals and they are related with the forest. Thank you.